Hi viewers, in English Grammar Chapter 3, we will learn about subject and predicate, sentence, and kinds of sentences. What is subject and predicate? Subject. A subject of a sentence is the noun or pronoun about which we are saying something. It may be word or a group of words. For example, Piku is playing in the garden. Piku is the subject here. The monkey swings from one branch to another. The monkey is the subject here. What is predicate? The predicate is referred to what is being said about the subject. It always includes the verb. For example, Tina plays tennis. Plays tennis is the predicate here. The river flows down a mountain. Flows down a mountain is the predicate here. Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. Was built by Shah Jahan is the predicate here. Sentence and its kinds. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It begins with capital letter and ends with full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. For example, Shanti plays tennis. Have you finished your homework? How cold it is. Kinds of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. First one is assertive sentences. Second one is interrogative sentences. Third one is exclamatory sentences. And fourth one is imperative sentences. What is assertive sentences? An assertive sentence or a statement states a fact, habitual action, universal truth, or opinion. It always ends with full stop. An assertive sentence may be affirmative. It can be positive or negative. For example, she is buying sweets or she is not buying sweets. What is interrogative sentences? An interrogative sentence asks a question, it ends with question mark. There are 2 kinds of interrogative sentence, with yes or no questions and with question word starting with WH. For example, are you fond of singing? Is Tom your brother? Is yes or no question. And where is Tom going? Whose book is this? With question words. Exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden or strong feeling happiness, sadness, joy, or surprise. It ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentences often start with how, what, so, and such words. For example, how cold it is. What beautiful weather. So kind of you. Such lovely day it's been. Imperative sentences. An imperative sentence gives an instruction, advice, command, makes a request or an offer. It ends with a full stop or an exclamation mark. For example, you should go to the doctor. Advice is given in this sentence. Finish the test with an R. Command is given in this sentence. Open the box for me, please. Request is given in this sentence. And have a piece of cake. Offer is given in this sentence. Dear viewers, if you like our video, please subscribe and like our channel Kuchu Pikachu. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more notification for new learning videos. Thank you. Have a great day.